Hi there. Welcome back to our next session on Microsoft SQL Server. In this session we will learn about SQL Server transactions. Let's start our session. A transaction is a unit of work that is performed against a database. Transactions are units or sequences of work accomplished in a logical order, whether in a manual fashion by a user or automatically by some sort of a database program. A transaction is the propagation of one or more changes to the database. For example, if you are creating a record or updating a record or deleting a record from the table, then you are performing a transaction on the table. It is important to control transactions to ensure data integrity and to handle database errors. Practically, you will club many SQL queries into a group and you will execute all of them together as a part of a transaction. Transactions have four standard properties, usually referred to by the acronym ACID. Atomicity ensures that all operations within the work unit are completed successfully, otherwise, the transaction is aborted at the point of failure, and previous operations are rolled back to their former state. Consistency ensures that the database properly changes state upon a successfully committed transaction. Isolation enables transactions to operate independently of and transparent to each other. And durability ensures that the result or effect of a committed transaction persists in case of a system failure. Transaction control. There are following commands used to control transactions. Commit to save the changes. Rollback to roll back the changes. SavePoint creates points within groups of transactions in which to roll back. And setTransaction places a name on a transaction. Transactional control commands are only used with the DML commands insert, update, and delete only. They cannot be used while creating tables or dropping them because these operations are automatically committed in the database. Let's understand it with an example. I will show you simple example for transaction in SQL Server. Watch the example carefully. Hope you liked the video. We will get to know more topics in our upcoming sessions. Till then, thank you.